Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem, a word problem, and deciding whether it's a proportional relationship or not. So this is CPM, and it's course 2, and it's section 4.2.1, specifically number 4-30. So I'll read it. We'll go from there. So Carmen is downloading music for her iPod. Each song costs $1.75. Is this relationship proportional? Explain your reasoning. And then what is the cost for 5 songs? So, proportional relationships. What makes something proportional, right? Proportional is there's 2 major factors that decide if something's proportional. The first major factor is if it has a constant growth rate. Meaning, if I can look at the growth of the situation is always consistent. If it's continuing to add the same each time, double each time, if there's a consistent growth in this case. Okay. So, this situation, if we think about each song costs $1.75. So, our rate is $1. So, this would be what we'd call a unit rate. It's $1.75 per song, right? That's my rate. It is a constant rate because on this question here, if I want to find the cost of 5 songs, I can. I just need to say that it's 5. I would multiply 5 times $1.75 to find out how much that would be, right? Because it's a constant rate. It's $1.75 per song. That's a constant rate, right? So I'll finish this question with that piece. So 5 times 175 is equal to, let's see, what is that? That is 8.75. So $8.75. So that's how much 5 songs would cost, right? $8.75 for 5 songs. So that part we're good with. So it does have a constant rate. Check. So the other factor, in order for it to be proportional, so because some things have constant rates, but the second piece is also needs to take place, is it needs to at 0 equal 0. So at 0 equals 0. In other words, when I'm referring to 0 songs, is it $0, right? So another way to put it is it contains the point 0, 0 is what we look. It goes to the origin. So it contains 0, 0 or starts at origin, right? At 0, 0, right? So that's another way of thinking through. So this problem here, would 0 songs equal $0? And yes, 0 songs. So in this case, 0 songs equals $0, right? If I'm not buying anything, I'm not paying anything. So because that's true and we have a constant rate, therefore it is proportional. So we would say, yes, this is proportional. Yes, it is proportional. And it's because of these 2 reasons: constant growth rate and at 0 it equals 0. Okay, there we go.